students, welcome to Oriya Medium School online teaching for class 8. I am Rosie Kora, CRCC Regada, your English teacher for stories past and present. Hope all of you are fine during this pandemic COVID-19. Just remember to sanitize your hands, maintain social distance. If you are not feeling well or stepping out of your home, do wear mask. Students, you know the Class 8 English book has a textbook named Stories Past and Present. So open your book, page number 10. Let's begin with session 1, pre-reading. Lesson number 2, Math Magic. There are 35 chocolates. 35ଟି chocolates ରହିଛି. You have to divide them among 3. 3 ଜଣଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ divide ଭାଗ କରିବାର ଅଛି. The first one will get 1/2, 1/2 of the total chocolates. The second will get 1/3, 1/3, and the third one will get 1/9, 1/9. ପ୍ରଥମଟି 1/2 chocolates ପାଇବ, ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟଟି 1/3 chocolates ପାଇବ ଓ ତୃତୀୟଟା 1/9 chocolates ପାଇବ. Can you divide the chocolates among the three without breaking the chocolates according to the plan? ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଏହି ଚକୋଲେଟ୍ ଗୁଡାକ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଭାଗ କରିପାରିବ କି ସମାନରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଚକୋଲେଟଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାକୁ ହବ ନାହିଁ without breaking. If yes, you know math and you are intelligent. If yes, ଯଦି କରିପାରୁଛ ତମକୁ ଗଣିତ ଆସୁଛି. You are intelligent. ତମର ମଧ୍ୟ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଜ୍ଞାନ ରହିଛି. So student, do you think is it easy or difficult? Let us. SGP 1, Sense Group, paragraph 1. Once upon a time there lived a young man in an Arab land. Once upon a time माने पूर्वर कथा सेठी गोटे युवकटा रहुथला Arab land रे. One day, sitting on a sand hill, he was counting the flock of birds flying in the sky. One day, गोटे दिन से कौन करुथला ना sitting बसिथिला का ऊपरे ना गोटे बालुका स्तूप ऊपरे बसिथिला. He was counting से गणुथला कोनटा ना flock of birds पक्षी मानकर दल को flocks कुहाଯାଏ flying in the sky. जो माने पक्षी गुड़ाक आकाश रे उड़ुथले. He counted the birds and wrote their numbers on sand. Counted से गणिला पक्षी मानकु and wrote their numbers. wrote लेखुथला से मानकर संख्या कोडी ना बाली ऊपरे. A man riding a camel was passing by that way. A man गोटे लोकटी riding a camel उटरे बसिकी जाउथला passing by that way सेही रास्ता पाख दे जाउथला. Passing by माने से पाख दे की जाउथला. He was surprised to see the boy counting the flying birds correctly. He was surprised. Surprised माने आश्चर्य हला देखिकी. कौन देखिकी ना boy counting the flying birds correctly. से पक्षी मानकर दल को से सठिक भाबरे correctly गणी परुथला. How can he count the number of birds flying in large groups? He thought. Thought माने भाबिबा. से भाबिला how can he केमिति से एते गुडाक large group बहुत संख्या रे जो दल होइकी पक्षी माने जाउछन्ते सेमानकु से गणी परिला. He got down, went near the boy and asked how he could do it. Got down माने ओल्हेइबा. Went near the boy से पुओ पाखकु गला and asked पचारिला how he could do it. से केमिति ए पक्षी मानकु गणी पारुथुला. The young man said, I worked as a shepherd boy with a rich man. Young man कौन कहिला युवकटा ना से वर्क काम करुथुला केमिति ना shepherd boy जेमति गाय चरबा पे जानती सेमति मेंढा चरबा पे से जाउथला. कोठी काम करुथला ना गोटे धनी लोक rich man पाखरे से काम करुथला. I learned how to count the sheep every day. Learned माने सिखिबा से गणिबार सिखिला मेंढा जाको every day सबु दिन. Then you will get a good job. Come with me, said the man. से लोकड़ी कौन कहिला you will get a good job. तुमको बहुत बढ़िया गोटे काम मिलिबो. Come with me, मो संगरे आस. वर्तमान comprehension question करिबा. ए comprehension question गुडाक मौखिक भाबे रे हबो. एगुडाक लेखा हबो नाही. Question number 1. What was the young man doing? ଯୁବକଟି କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲା? The young man was sitting on a sand hill. He was counting the flock of birds in the sky. ଯୁବକଟି ବାଲୁକା ସ୍ତୂପ ଉପରେ ବସିଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ପକ୍ଷୀ ମାନଙ୍କର ଦଳକୁ ଗଣୁଥିଲା ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆକାଶରେ ଉଡୁଥିଲେ. Question number 2. Who saw him? ସେ ଯୁବକକୁ କିଏ ଦେଖିଲା? A man riding a camel passing by that way saw him. ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକଟି ଓଟ ଉପରେ ବସିକି ଚଲେ ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେଇ ଯୁବକକୁ ଦେଖିଲା. Question number 3. Why was he surprised? ସେ ଲୋକଟି କାହିଁକି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଲା? He was surprised to see the boy counting the flying birds correctly. ସେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଲା ସେ ପୁଅଟାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଯିଏକି ଉଡ଼ିବା ପକ୍ଷୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ସଠିକ ଭାବରେ ଗଣି ପାରୁଥିଲା. Question number 4. How did the young man learn counting? ସେ ଯୁବକଟା ଗଣିବାର କେମିତି ଶିଖିଲା? The young man worked as a shepherd boy with a rich man. He learned how to count the sheep every day. ଏହି ଯୁବକଟି କାମ କରୁଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଧନୀ ଲୋକ ପାଖରେ ମେଣ୍ଢା ଚରେଇବା ପିଲା ପରି ଆଉ ସେଇଠି ହିଁ ସେ ସବୁଦିନ ମେଣ୍ଢା ଗଣିବାର ଶିଖିଲା. Question number 5. What did the man say to praise him? ସେ ଲୋକଟି ପ୍ରେଜ୍ ମାନେ ପ୍ରଶଂସା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯୁବକକୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲା? The man said that the young man would get a good job. ସେଇ ଯୁବକଟି ଗୋଟେ good job ବଢିଆ କାମଟା ପାଇବ. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ SGP 2 କୁ ଯିବା. The man took him on his camel. ସେ ଲୋକଟା took him ତାକୁ ନେଲା କୋଉଠି ନା ତାର ନିଜର ଓଟ ଉପରେ ବସେଇକି ନେଲା. He promised him a job with the king. Promised ମାନେ କଥା ଦବା. ସେ କ'ଣ କଥା ଦେଲା ନା ରଜାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଜବ୍ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ତାକୁ ଦବ. On their way they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels standing nearby. On their way ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ they saw ଦେଖିଲେ କ'ଣ 3 persons quarreling ତିନିଟା ଲୋକ କଳି କରୁଥିଲେ. quarreling ମାନେ କଳି କରିବା. and 35 camels standing nearby. 35 35ଟି ଓଟ ଠିଆ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ. nearby ମାନେ ପାଖରେ. Their quarrel was how to divide the camels among them. ସେମାନଙ୍କର କଳିଟା କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? how to divide କେମିତି ଭାଗ କରିବା ଏହି ଓଟ ଗୁଡାକ among themselves among them ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ. Their father had died. ସେମାନଙ୍କର ବାପା କାଳ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ. but he had a will before his death. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ କାଳ ହେଲା ଆଗରୁ before ଗୋଟେ ଦସ୍ତାବିଜ ଗୋଟେ ବନେଇଥିଲେ. According to his will, the eldest son would get half of the camel, the second son 1/3, and the youngest son 1/9. ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଦସ୍ତାବିଜ କରିକି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ସେଇଥିରେ eldest son ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ half ଅଧା camel ପାଇବ. second son ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପୁଅ 1/3 1/3 camel ପାଇବ. The youngest son ସବୁଠୁ ସାନ ଯିଏ ସେ 1/9 1/9 ପାଇବ. but they had 35 camels to divide among themselves. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ତ ଖାଲି 35ଟି camel ହିଁ ଥିଲା ଓଟ ଥିଲା ଭାଗ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. this was difficult. ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କଷ୍ଟକର କାମ. as for the father's will, the eldest brother will get 17 half camels, the second little less than 12 camels, and the youngest son little less than 4 camels. as per father's will, ଯଦି ବାପାଙ୍କର କଥା ଅନୁସାରେ ଯିବା 35ଟି camel ଯଦି ଆମେ ଭାଗ କରିବା eldest brother ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ଭାଇକୁ 17 ଅଧେ ଓଟ ମିଳିବ. ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟଟାକୁ 12ଟା ଓଟରୁ ଟିକେ ଅଳ୍ପ ମିଳିବ little less. ସବୁଠୁ ସାନକୁ 4ଟା ଓଟରୁ ଟିକେ କମ୍ ମିଳିବ. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ comprehension question କୁ ଯିବା ଆଉ verbally answer ଗୁଡାକ ଦବା. comprehension question number 1. What did the man promise the boy? ସେ ଲୋକଟି ଯୁବକକୁ କ'ଣ କଥା ଦେଲା? The man promised the boy a job with the king. ରଜାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଦବ ବୋଲି ଲୋକଟି କଥା ଦେଲା. question number 2. What did they see on their way? ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲେ? They saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels standing nearby. ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲେ? ତିନିଟା ଲୋକ କଳି କରୁଥିଲେ ଓ 35ଟି ଓଟ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଥିଲେ. question number 3. What was the father's wish? ବାପାଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛା କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The father's wish was that the eldest son would get half of the camel, the second son 1/3, and the youngest son 1/9. ବାପାଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ 1/2 ହାଫ୍ କ୍ୟାମେଲ ପାଇବ, ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପୁଅ 1/3 ପାଇବ ଆଉ ସବୁଠୁ ସାନ 1/9 ପାଇବ। Question number 4. This was difficult. What was difficult? ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟକର ଥିଲା। କଣଟା କଷ୍ଟକର ଥିଲା? As per the father's will, the eldest brother will get 17 half camels, the second little less than 12 camels, and the youngest son little less than 4 camels. This was difficult. ନା କ'ଣ ସବୁ ବାପାଙ୍କର ଅନୁସାରେ ବଡ଼ ପୁଅଟା 17 ଅଧେ ପାଇବ, ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟଟା 12ଟା କ୍ୟାମେଲରୁ ଟିକେ କମ୍ ପାଇବ ଓ ସବୁଠୁ ସାନ ପୁଅ 4ଟା ଓଟରୁ କମ୍ ପାଇବ। ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କଷ୍ଟକର ଥିଲା। ଦେଖିବା କେମିତି ଭାଗ କରାହେଲା। Total number of camel 35. ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ eldest son would get half of the total camels, 17 half. Second son would get 1/3 of the total camels, 11 whole, 2/3. Third son would get 1/9 of the total camels, that is 3 whole, 8/9. This was difficult. Session 2, SGP 3, पढ़िबा। The young man, after listening to them, said, "It is very easy." Saying this, he added the camel they were riding to the herd of 35. ଯୁବକଟି କ'ଣ କଲା? After listening, ଶୁଣିଲା ପରେ, "It is very easy." ଏଟା ବହୁତ ସହଜ କହିଲା। He added the camel they were riding. जो କ୍ୟାମେଲ ରେ ଲୋକଟା ଯୁବକକୁ ବସିକି ଚଲେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା ସେମାନେ ସେ 35ଟି ଓଟର ଦଳ ହର୍ଡ ମାନେ ଦଳ ଓଟର ଦଳକୁ ଦଳରେ ମିଶେଇ ଦେଲେ। Now the total number of camels became 36. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବୁ ଓଟ ମିଶିକି କେତେ ହେଲେ ନା 36ଟା 36 ହେଇଗଲେ। The eldest son, who was to get 17 half, got 18. ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ ଯାହାକୁ 17 ଅଧେ ମିଳିବାର ଥିଲା ସେ 18ଟି ଓଟ ପାଇଲା। He was happy. ସେ ଖୁସି ହେଇଗଲା। The second son got 12 camels. ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପୁଅ 12ଟି ଓଟ ପାଇଲା। He was to get less than 12. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କ'ଣ 12ଟାରୁ କମ୍ ପାଇବାର ଥିଲା। He was also happy. ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଲା। The youngest son, who was to get less than 4 camels, got 4. ସବୁଠୁ ସାନ ପୁଅ 4ଟା ଓଟରୁ କମ୍ ମିଳିବାର ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ 4ଟା ପାଇଲା। He was happy too. ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଲା। But the happiest man was the young math man. Happiest ମାନେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଖୁସି କିଏ ଥିଲା? ଏଇ ଯୁବକଟି। By solving their problem, he himself got a camel. ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମଟାକୁ ସେ ଠିକ ଭାବରେ ସମାନ ଭାବରେ ସେ ଓଟଟା ବାଣ୍ଟି ଦେଲା ଆଉ ସେ ନିଜେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଓଟ ପାଇଲା। The three brothers had 35 camels. ତିନିଟା ଭାଇମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ 35ଟି କ୍ୟାମେଲ ଥିଲା। But they got 34. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଓଟ ମିଶିକି 34ଟା ପାଇଲେ। କେମିତି? 18 ଯୁକ୍ତ 12 ଯୁକ୍ତ 4, 18 plus 12 plus 4. All the brothers gained one camel each. ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ଭାବିଲେ ନା gained ଅଧିକା ପାଇଲେ। କେତେ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଓଟ ଅଧିକା ପାଇଲେ। The young math man gained one, though he had no camel of his own. जो young math man ଥିଲା ଯେ ଏଇ ଗଣିତକୁ କୁହୁକକୁ ଠିକରେ କରିପାରିଲା, gained one, ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଓଟ ଅଧିକା ପାଇଲା। He had no camel of his own. own ମାନେ ନିଜର ସେ ତାର ଓଟ ନଥିଲା। Think how. ଏଇଟା କେମିତି ହେଲା ଭାବିବ। This is the magic of knowing mathematics. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି magic mathematics ଗଣିତ ଜାଣିବାର। And the two Arabs moved on to the king's palace for seeking a job. ଆଉ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଓଟରେ ବସିକି ରାଜା ପାଖକୁ ସେମାନେ ପଳେଇଲେ କାମ ପାଇଁ। ଦେଖ total camel 35. Young man added one camel they were riding. तो 35 plus 1 36 ହେଲେ। ବଡ଼ଟାକୁ ମିଳିଲା 18 द्वितीयटा को मिलिला 12, तृतीयटा को मिलिला 4. 3 persons got 34. 18 12 4 मिसेले 34 होची तो 35 रु 34 गले गोटे बळी गला. The young man gave one camel. से camel टा young man पाई गला. वर्तमान comprehension question को जिबा SGP 3 रो question number 1. It's very easy. What was very easy? बहुत सहज. कोनटा सहज थिला? It was very easy to divide the camels among the 3 persons. 3 जनक लोक मध्यरे ओट गुडाक भाग करिबा बहुत सहज थिला. Question number 2. What did the young Arab did to divide the camel? से युवकटी जे थिला से कोन करिला ओट मान को भाग करिबा पे. The young Arab added the camel they were riding to the herd of 35. जो ओटोरे युवक आ से लोकटी बसिकी आस्थिले से ओटोटा को से 35 टा ओटो सहित मिसे देला. Question number 3. How many camels did each brother get? प्रत्येकटा भाई केतेटा ओटो पाइले. The eldest son got 18, the second son got 12 camels, the youngest son got 4. सबुठु बड़ भाई पुओ पाइला 18, द्वितीय पुओ पाइला 12टी, तृतीय पुओटा सबुठु सानो पाइला 4टी. Question number 4. Why were they happy? सेमाने काहेकि खुशी थिले. They were happy to gain one camel each. सेमाने खुशी थिले कारण सेमाने गुटे ओटो अधिका पाइले. Question number 5. Who was the happiest of all the persons present? Why? सेठिका जो लोक माने थिले समस्त ठारू सबुडो happiest खुशी किए थिला और कोण पाई. The young math man was the happiest of all the persons. सबो लोक मानक ठारू से युवकटी ही सबुठु खुशी रे थिला. Why? काहेकि he gained one though he had no camel of his own. तारो निजर ओटो नथिला किंतु से गोटे ओटो पाई गला. Question number 6. Every brother thought he had gained, but did they really gain or lose? They really lost. Number 7. Do you think the young man will get a job in the king's court? तमे कोन भाबुच युवकटा राजांको पाखरे काम किबा चाकरी पाइबो? Yes, the young man will get a job in the king's court. हां, युवकटी राजांको पाखरे चाकरीटा पाइबो. वर्तमान सेशन 3 को जिबा पोस्ट रीडिंग. The math man solved the problem with the camels. जो young math man थिला से ओटो को नहीं कि प्रॉब्लम टा सॉल्व करि देला. समान भाग रे ओटो को बांटी देला. Try to solve your chocolate problem. सेमिति जो प्रथम रे 35 टी चॉकलेट विषय रे हमें कथा हेतिलु. एबे वर्तमान तमे सेमिति चॉकलेट टा को समान भाग रे बांटो. See whether this is possible or not. देखो एटा होची कि नाही. जदि होची good luck. Question number 1. Visual Memory Development Technique VMDT. एठी लेखा हेची the young man was sitting on a sand hill and counting the birds. वर्तमान पेज को न देखिकी न उल्टेकी तमे भाबिकी कहिबो एटा कोठी लेखा हेची. SGP 1 रे. 3 brothers quarreling. एटा कोठी अछि SGP 2. The young man got a horse by solving their problem. एटा अछि SGP 3. सेमिति ए जो पैराग्राफ 5 got 18 35 it's very easy. एगुडा को न देखि कि भाबी कि कहबो को SGP रे एटा अछि. नंबर 2 MCQs मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. प्रतिटा प्रश्न रो चारोटी उत्तर दिया हेछि. चॉइस गुडा को से गुडा को बाछि कि एठी लेखिबो. नंबर 1 the young man counted birds. Swimming, sleeping, sitting, flying. उत्तर हबो flying. Number 2. The 3 persons were quarreling because they could not divide. तीनटा लोक कळी करूथले से माने भाग करि पारिले नै. कोनटा? Their cows, their goats, their buffaloes, their camels. Their camels. एठारे लिखिबो their camels. Number 3. The young man was good at. युवकटा कोन भलो करि पारुथला. मैथमेटिक्स, लैंग्वेज, साइंस, ज्योग्राफी. निश्चय मैथमेटिक्स. नंबर 4. In the end dash lost a camel. किए कैमल पाइले नहीं. eldest brother, second brother, youngest brother, all the brothers. ସମସ୍ତେ ହବ, all the brothers ହବ. Session 4, listening. Your teacher will read out following lines from paragraph 3. Listen to him carefully and fill in the blanks. ଏଇଠାରେ ମୁଁ जो ଶବ୍ଦଟା ଡାକିବି ତମମାନେ ଶୁଣିକି ଏଇଠି ଲେଖିବ. पेज उल्टेब नहीं, देखिब नहीं. टीचर कथाटा शुणिब आउ एठी भर्ती करके लिखिब. On their way they saw 3 persons quarreling. एठी quarreling लिखा हबो. And 35 camels. एठी camels लिखा हबो. Standing nearby. एठी nearby लिखिबे. Their quarrel. एठी quarrel लिखा हबो. Was on how to divide. एठी divide लिखिबो. The camels among them. एठी camels लिखिबो. अच्छा सुनो, एठी हबो quarreling, camels, nearby, quarrel, divide, camels. सुनिबो और एठी लिखिबो. Number 4, speaking. एगुडा को होची डायलॉग. दुई जण को मध्य रे कथाबार्ता हेबे. जेमिति Hey young man, what are you doing here?
Counting the birds.
Counting the flying birds?
Yes.
Such a large number?
I can count them correctly.
How did you learn counting?
I worked as a shepherd boy. Every day I counted the herd of my sheep.
You are very good at counting. You will get a good job.
Shall I? Where? When?
Come with me. I will take you to the king. Number 5, vocabulary. Put the letters in right order and make words. तमनको एठी ब्रैकेट रे क्लोज दिया हेची और शब्द गोर अक्षरटा एपटे सेपटे रखा हेची. ताको सजाडी की लेखिबो. जेमती प्रथमडी you can see it on deserts, seashore or river bank. एही जिनसटी तमे मरुभूमि रे समुद्र कूल रे किमा नदी कूल रे देखि परिबो. एटा हला S A N D. S-A-N-D, sand. Seemti, this animal is called the ship of desert. मरुभूमि रो जहाज कुहा जाए. कौन हबो? C-A-M-E-L, camel. The opposite word of loss. Loss रो opposite विपरीतार्थ कौन हबो? Gain. G-A-I-N, gain. G-A-I-N, gain. Next, a subject of study. आमे जो पाठ पढ़ू तार विषय कौनटा हबो? Mathematics. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. अच्छा एठे गोटे रही जाइथिला. A person whose job is to take care of sheep. मेंढा मानकर देखा रेखा करिबा पई जे थाए ताको कोन कोथि? शेफर्ड. S-H-P-H-E-R-D, shepherd. A man born in Arab. जेमति हमरो इंडिया रे इंडियन अछंती सेमति अरब रे जे जन्म हिची ताको कोन कहउछंती? अरब. A-R-A-B. वर्तमान एठी 10टा वाक्य दिया हेची, 10टी सेंटेंस दिया हेची तमरो स्टोरी को नेकी. एटा असजडा हेची, एटा को तमे सजाडी की एठी नंबरिंग करिवो. Put the following sentences right order and get the story. Put the serial number in the box given against each sentence. एटा ठीक ऑर्डर रे एउडा को लिखिबा को नंबर पकेई के लिखिबा को पड़िबो. अच्छा 10टी अछि. प्रथम रे कोन हबो? Once a young man was sitting on a sand hill. Number 2, he was counting large number of flying birds. Number 3, a man sitting on a camel was passing by. Number 4, he was surprised to see the boy good at counting. Number 5, he promised him a job with the king. Number 6, on the way they saw 3 men quarreling over dividing 35 camels among themselves. Number 7, the boy divided the camels among them. Number 8, the men got 34 camels and the boy got 1. Everybody was happy. 9. The man took him on his camel and went away. 10. Number 6 session. Use the sentence you have arranged and rewrite the story in the space below. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଇଠି ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ନମ୍ବରିଂ କରିଲୁ ସେଗୁଡାକ 1 ରୁ 10 ସଜାଡ଼ିକି ଏଇଠି ସେ ବାକ୍ୟ ଯାକ ଲେଖିବ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ क्वेश्चन आंसर को ଯିବା। ଏଗୁଡାକ ତୁମେ ମାନେ କହିବ ନାହିଁ, ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଖାତାରେ ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଲେଖିବ। Number 1. Where was the young man sitting? What was he doing there? The young man was sitting on a sand hill. He was counting the flock of birds flying in the sky. Question number 2. How did he learn counting? He worked as a shepherd boy with a rich man. He learned how to count the sheep every day. Number 3. Who were quarreling? 3 persons were quarreling. Number 4. Who decided their quarrel? The young man decided their quarrel. Number 5. The 3 brothers and the young man were happy. What made them happy? Answer. All the brothers gained 1 camel each. The young man gained 1, though he had no camel of his own. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଠି ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ପକ୍ଷୀ ମାନଙ୍କର ଦଳକୁ flock of birds ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲୁ, ସେମିତି ଯେକୌଣସି ବସ୍ତୁ, ପଶୁ, ପକ୍ଷୀ, ମଣିଷ ଦଳ ମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ନାମ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। ଯେମିତି a pride of lions ସିଂହ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ, flight of steps ପାହାଚ ପାଇଁ, an army of ants ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ, a class of pupils, a swarm of bees, a brood of chicks, a string of pearls, a gang of thieves, a crowd of people, a school of fish, a pack of cards, a herd of cattle, a clump of trees, a pack of wolves, a choir of singers, a sheaf of peepers, a litter of puppies, a troop of dancers. So student, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.